For the past few weeks, I've watched several tutorials on how to get started with Unreal Engine, as well as programming some of the key functionality that I noticed from the games I've mentioned in my Patreon. Without further ado, here's what I've done so far. If you click play on this game, you would see a character moving around and has a couple of positions. There's the crouch, crouch aim, aim, move, crouch move, and so forth. These animations are the ones that I created using the UE4 mannequin that they have there, which has a bunch of animations as well as some bunch of items that you can kind of link together. If you go to them, I did that using the animation blueprint section, and then from here you can kind of see that these are all connected in different ways. I've used the simple is running variables to determine what the user is currently doing at this moment. From there, I can transition into various other animations at will. So there's run, aim, aim and move, crouch, crouch, move, just crouch, move, and hit fire, and all the other stuff. And then the next one I tried to make was the targeting system that I noticed. This one is one that I found online. It's well, you see there. By clicking on the R button, you're able to bring up the attack circle. And the attack circle is the one I animated myself using Blender. So there's it goes. It just increases and decreases in size. And then whenever you move your mouse, let's say move it up, it'll change up, right, left, down. This is kind of like this is since the basis for the multi-directional system in For Honor, which I hope to implement into my game. And also based on by using right click and left click, you see on the top left corner you see heavy and low attack. This applies to every other angle, which I hope to apply some animations to it as well. That's what I've done so far in the past few weeks. Doesn't look like much, but it's was pretty damn hard with only some background in C#. So the next step in this is to create some animations for doing like basic high attacks, low attacks, left, right attacks, and so forth, which would make it look more interesting than this, and as well as to make the animation of that swinging dummy so that there's a collision. And with the collision, I could determine when it hits the character, which way he staggers, and similar things. So yeah, that's all I've had so far, and if you have any questions about how some of the functionality is implemented, please let me know in the comments, and I'll provide a more in-depth look into those at a later time. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Oops.